Hey you guys, welcome back to my Instagram. This is Porsche Teair. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? I am glad you guys are here because this is another makeup tutorial. And this tutorial will also be Black beauty brand influenced because you know what? It is Black History Month and I wanted to serve you guys another look. And this lighting in this room is just so amazing. I couldn't pass up the opportunity to do a little light slay. So please tune in to what I'm going to show you. I hope you see some products that you like. I hope you see some techniques that you might want to try. So let's get into this look. Let's get into it. We're now going to prep the skin using the Fenty Beauty What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. Look at that. Really can't see it with this lighting. I'll move it back. Anywho. It really is refreshing. For foundation, I'm going to use Beauty Bakery's Instant Bake Agua Glass Foundation. Let's do it. I'm gonna pump it on the brush this time. This foundation is nice. And again, Black owned brand. You can pick up this brand at Ulta, beautybakery.com. Yes. I'm now going to highlight using Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 12. I brought a few products. So, fortunately, some of these products I'm gonna use are gonna be repetitive to my other look, but I got a couple that I didn't use on the other video. And I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Sponge. To really blend that in. And I'm sorry about all the noise in the background. My hotel is literally in, what am I trying to say? It's literally at the airport. So I can like see planes taking off on this side. So it may be a little noisy. Sorry about that. But I had to face the window. So I'm just gonna blend this in. Next, I'm going to set my concealer in the Beauty Bakery Flower. And I'm gonna use both the shades Cassava and Plantain. I'm gonna put the two together only because I feel like I'm looking a little orange. So I don't know if Plantain will do everything I need it to do, but a little Cassava on top will just help with the brightening and toning down the yellow. I might bake a little more with this one than I did yesterday. And while I let this Beauty Bakery Flower powder set a bit, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. I'm now gonna go in with Jackie Ina's palette, and I'm gonna use her shade Edges. Buffing that all over as my transition color. Next, I'm going into the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. I'm gonna use the shade Neo. Just gonna really pack that in. Now I'm gonna go in with Abby. Is it Abby or Abba? I don't know. I'm gonna really but I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Fumi Queen Collection palette. I'm gonna use her shade Glam. Now I'm gonna go over Glam with Neo. Now we're gonna see. I've had in the past when I put a matte on top of a shimmer, it looks really pretty. So we're gonna hope this looks good. Now I'm gonna use Zane, like a hot pink. Add a little Zane in there right here. I'm just out here winging it, you guys. I really am, I'm winging it. I didn't really have an idea what I was gonna do. I just know I was gonna do something. It's cute. It's so amazing what some liner, mascara can do to a look. Now we're just gonna go ahead and apply some blush. I'm gonna use Neo and Zane for my cheeks. I don't want it to be too bold, being that the eyes are giving us so much. Now I'm gonna just dust some Cocoa Naughty just to neutralize it a bit. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of Lila as my highlight. I hope I'm not like murdering these names. That would be funny. What if I was saying each one of the names wrong? That would be like horrendous, but funny at the same time. I am going to add some of this Trophy Wife on top. Now, Trophy Wife, like I told y'all, I love it, but it can be a bit much. But I think this loose one isn't as bold as the pressed version. Okay. This is giving me a little bit more than I wanted, but we're gonna blend this out. Lastly, we're gonna go back with the Make It Do Spritz. Not spritz, refreshing spray. Oh, okay, girl. That's enough pumps. Now, I did not bring a lot of lip options, so I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna use this Fenty Unveil. Then I'm going to add this Juvia's Place Fumi Gloss and Royalty. And maybe go on top of it with this hot chocolate mini gloss. Is this giving us anything? Is this a look? It's a real glossy nude. I mean, she's cute. I think I want some more color though. But I like it. I might go with this. We might go with this. So I decided just to stick with this lip color. I didn't have a lot of options, but I'm like, hey, it's gonna have to work. And I wanna thank you guys for sitting here watching this tutorial on this makeup look. I hope you got some inspiration, seeing some products you wanna try, and come back and see me again. Yes, leave me a comment. You got some questions, let me know. Share with your friends, follow, and I will see you guys soon.